reporting on duty. Bond is here. Hi everyone, welcome to Trade with Bond. My name is Bond Solomon, and today again we are going to show you again what you need to know on BTC chart. Yesterday, our sell buyers triggered and market have been hovering around that entry zone, right? I can assure you for sure, if BTC fails to sell today and into tomorrow, just get prepared for the weekend. There will be a massive drop on BTC. Let me repeat that again. If Bitcoin failed to sell today and tomorrow, this weekend is going to be very dramatic on BTC, so I can assure you that, right? Okay, having heard that, let's dive into the chart and see what happened on Bitcoin yesterday. Don't forget what we do here every morning. We give you a head ups on what happened to Bitcoin the previous day and what you should look at for the current day. As a day trader, as a scalper, and even as a position trader, we got you all covered because we always take it down from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame and show you what is exactly going on BTC. Today is not an exceptional. We'll take you down on what you need to know, more especially if you're a day trader and a scalper. Stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, psychological level shows yesterday that Bitcoin gave us a high of 64,400 psychological level and a low of what, 63,200, right? And currently the candle closed bearish. The candle closed bullish into our supply zone that triggered our entry. Right now, let's watch it and see what is going on here. Right, today's candle opened and it went straight to give us an equal high of yesterday candle closure and is rejecting from there. This is an evidence that our supply is giving us a reaction for a sell. So as I said from the beginning of this video, if we didn't see this sell today and until tomorrow, why I will be more skeptical. Today is the midweek, today is Wednesday, right? Bitcoin is likely to give us the high for the week. So for you to do that, I advise you do what we call DCA on this sell position, because there might be a spike for Bitcoin to give us the high for the week. Because normally, if you have been so conversant with Bitcoin charts, you should understand that Bitcoin usually gives the high or the low for the week on Wednesdays most of the times, 70 to 80% of the times, right? So I'm more skeptical today because I'm expecting Bitcoin to a kind of do something like this, because there is another supply zone up here. Do something like this, maybe a spike to give us the high for the week before the actual sell, right? So I'm still expecting that, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's narrow down to the 4 hours time frame. The first 4 hours of the Asian market just closed 5 a.m. West African time. Let's see how it goes. Okay, if you come down to 4 hours time frame, you will see for a fact that this supply that Bitcoin tapped yesterday is reacting, and you can see the first 4 hours of the Asian market still close bullish, a pin bar bullish on that supply zone. You know what that means. This can even drive. You can see the 4 hours that have been closing, rejecting on that supply zone, right? So, but as I said before, if you watch, there is another supply here. In short, this is the major supply here. That's why I told you that we might see this manipulation spark to the upside to come and clear, because there is a lot of liquidity here now. Clear this liquidity before the actual sell, right? So when I was saying that on the higher time frame, one day time frame, this is what I mean, right? There is a very good supply here that market sold very well. We traded this before, if you remember, right? Yes, and we made a lot of money. So market can likely come and give us the high for the week by clearing this high, yesterday high, and then giving us that massive sell. So you have to stay head up, and don't forget, if you are watching the short clip of this video, do well to use the link below this video or check on our bio. Move straight to our YouTube channel so that you will have access to the full video, right? So this is exactly what is going on BTC. We have to always trade on confirmations, right? This is why you have to be active in all our channels, our Telegram channels, our WhatsApp community, so that anytime we give a live signal, we'll always be the first to have access to it. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, because every day 11 a.m. West Africa time, we are always live to teach you how to analyze the market, show you the techniques on capturing movement in the market, and teach you everything you need to understand about technical analysis. Do it to use the link under this video, join our Telegram channel, and don't miss out. Today we'll be live again 11 a.m. West African time. So thank you very much for having me. I believe so much I have been able to simplify this chart. Now look at 1 hour. 1 hour have double bottomed already, right? 1 hour have given a double top already. Sorry, not double top. You can see it here. So this is a confirmation that this sell. This supply zone might likely sell BTC today, right? So head ups, make sure you are in all our channels so that once we get the confirmation and drop the signal, you have access to it. And remember my humble self, Bob Solomon, and don't forget that Bombrit is out. I'll see you guys again in our next analysis. Bye for now.